Hello everyone! Today I'll show you a core component that allows lawnmowers to say goodbye to oil stains and achieve zero emissions: the lithium-ion battery pack for electric lawnmowers. Next, let's break down the entire process in detail. The first step is cell sorting and matching. Each battery cell undergoes rigorous testing, with the deviation in capacity and internal resistance controlled within 1%. Only with good consistency can the entire battery pack be stable and have a long lifespan. This step is the starting point for quality. The second step involves the automated addition of battery barrier materials to prevent short circuits between battery cells and to provide structural support for subsequent welding. The third step is series and parallel welding. High-power configurations such as 10S to P can be formed by laser welding of nickel sheets or busbars. With 10 series and to parallel, the voltage and capacity meet the explosive power required by lawnmowers. The weld is strong and the internal resistance is extremely low, so that the high current output can be kept stable. The fourth step is the integration of the intelligent management system. The BMS we're talking about monitors the voltage, current, and temperature of each battery cell in real time. It features active balancing, overcharge protection, and short circuit protection. Without it, a battery is like a body without a brain. Step 5. Safety testing and appearance inspection. Overcharge, short circuit, compression, each one must pass. Next, products are sorted into A, B, and C grades to ensure consistency. Only those that pass the sorting can proceed to the next stage. Step 6. Heat dissipation and structural assembly. Check the battery connection and add heat sinks and foam pads to cushion the shock and aid in heat dissipation. With IPX4 waterproof coating, you don't have to worry about water getting in when mowing the lawn on rainy days. Align the battery pack with the slot and insert it into the battery casing. The casing integrates a universal standard quick-release interface, supporting efficient maintenance and replacement of the battery pack. The screws are in place, and the battery pack has no looseness or displacement. Thus, a high-performance electric lawnmower battery was born. Future trends: dry coating, solid-state batteries, and modular quick-release designs will make lawnmowers lighter, safer, and smarter. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please like, save, and share. See you next time!